this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Right, my husband has sleep apnea, so he has to wear a CPAP. To wear it overnight, you need your jaw held tightly closed, so he needs a chin strap. Now, we've bought them before in the past, but them being fabric, they start to give a bit, and within no time at all they're not fitting well. So for a while now I've been making different styles until I'm finding one, and he's finding that it works better, and these cost me next to nothing. I get some fabric, any fabric. This happens to be one of the remnant fabrics I get. He doesn't mind what colour it is because he's asleep. So I'm using up some that I don't think I will need again. Well, some that I don't think I will need. So I've cut 7-inch width for the whole width of the fabric, and this will actually make 2 for me. I will fold it in half lengthwise and sew across the end all the way down and across the other end, so it's completely enclosed. Then I'll show you what I do afterwards. Over to the sewing machine. This is very good, like felt wool, very good for ironing on, but it clings, all the bits cling to it, so it looks a mess. But I've sewn, as I said, folded it in half completely, and then just cut it exactly in half. You could do it before you sew it, but I find it easier to do it afterwards. And then turn your piece the right way out. So now I trimmed my corners before I turned it, and it's now got its right side outside. So the end that you cut, you want to just finger press it, just pull it in by about 1/4 of an inch, that type of thing. Doesn't have to be exact. That's it, that's in. Now I have got 2 pieces of Velcro. This is the hooky side, and I've got 2 pieces of the loop side. They're about 5 inches long. That's what I found is alright, and I'm just slipping them inside, and then get a pin and just hold it there. Same with the other piece. Slip it inside by just over 1/2 inch. Pin to hold in place. This is not the stick-on Velcro pieces, it's the sewing type, because I think the stick-on ones are useless. And what I do now is sew along the edge, catching your Velcro inside it, turn round, So back again, and sometimes I'll do it a third time. On the one I made yesterday, see the length of it, it may look very long, but it holds it really firm. Yeah, as you can see, I've got 3 lines of stitching, so I just sewed it in like that. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've now sewn on, let me just trim those ends. Handwork. Bring the other end up, so you've got it there, folded in half, and you want to sew the soft, the lippy side on to there. So just from where you want them to go, a pin to hold it, again, and a pin to hold it, doesn't matter if you go all the way through, just don't go pin through on your other side, and just sew all around them. And there it is, the Velcro sewn to it. And you could use it just like this, and that will hold your head in place, well, your chin in place. But because it slides around, what I like to do is find the side that wasn't stitched, it's just folded over, go halfway, find the halfway mark, open it up, up to the halfway mark. Now I'll show you on the one that I've made already. And there is the chin side. Oh, that's it. That's the bit that I want to do. So basically we want to sew this fold down. So I'll get a pen so you'll be able to see me markings. This is a normal barrow, but you won't mind. It's just for slipping in. Right, so it needs to go from here to there, but that's where it needs sewing, and the same on the other side. I measured this on him, that's why I know the size. So then you can open it out, fold it, find your marks, and stitch just there, diagonally, same as I've done here. I've stitched, as you can see, diagonally there. I'll mark it so you can see, hopefully, where my stitching line is, there. And that's what I'll be doing on this one, and then that's it. It's done. It's like a 10-minute job, and yeah, I happen to use some fabric from the remnant packs. You could use part of an old curtain and a bit of sewing Velcro. And because it's Velcro, as the fabric stretches slightly, you'll be able to tighten it up. But when it gets too shabby, I'll make another one. With these two I'm doing here, it'll have a total of 4. So that'll last him way over a year. And I can always, when they've got stretched and really not doing each job at all, I'll make him some new ones, and I can always pull off the Velcro and reuse it. But I haven't got to that stage yet, because as I say, these 4 will last him a year easy. Thank you. Bye.